We're live. We're live, everyone. We are live just before the CPI comes out. Thank you so much, guys. Welcome, everyone. Few seconds to go for the CPI. Watch out. Watch out, guys. Ha ha ha. Good day, good morning. Welcome, everyone. Good day, good morning. Welcome, everyone. That was something. Welcome, guys. Time to get started. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. 0.2% less than expected on the inflation side. Look at that. 0.2% core CPI month-to-month base. Less than expected. Unbelievable. Time for me to open up Quant Tower, open up our trading platforms. Wow, look at that. We have $183,000 here. $183,000 because yesterday we made on this YRM account 33,967. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining. We're going to talk about the way yesterday played out. Make sure to invite people on stream. Let me just go ahead and invite everyone. Thank you so much, guys. All the trading groups pretty much everywhere. Feel free to invite people on stream. We're ready to go. Pretty strong retracement, but I think we're gonna see the price action going back up. London session 25,200. Today's low 193. Yeah. I'm just sharing the presentation in all the groups, guys, right now. You certainly want to do the same thing. Invite your friends and trading communities. Let them know we are certainly live. Well positioned to talk about today's situation. So here we made 33,967 on our first day yesterday. We talked about the yellow box and we have longed the price action into yellow box and left it like that. Good job everyone. Thank you so much for joining, by the way. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. Let's bring up those numbers. We're ready for another amazing Friday. It's not going to be a long presentation. It's not going to be a long streaming. Good evening, welcome. Let me open up Quant Tower. You certainly want to see Quant Tower, especially on what happened yesterday. Ha 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 ha. This is what happened yesterday, guys. This is what happened yesterday. Tell me more about this. Tell me more about what happened yesterday. Here you go, Lucid Flex. Here you go on the Lucid Flex. This is what happens when you're printing. Look at that, 35,455. This is what we made yesterday by letting our long. We have not closed. We have not closed at the end of the stream. Boom, 35,455. And the day before we lost 36. On the 8th, well, markets had an announcement. Thank you, guys. Yeah. On the 8th, market had an announcement while I was in a trade. You know, we had statements, as usually. Statements coming through that you can't predict. And we got a little bit burned with that statement. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Like the video, guys. And we've been trading our Lucid Flexes. Maximum discount scramble coupon code 40% off. Yeah. Watching this one closely. Yes, I am trading personal accounts, yes. Not on today's news. The 35,000 is from yesterday. It's from 9th. Like today is 10th. 35 grand is from yesterday, from the 9th. Look at that, guys. All right, so let's focus. It's not a gain, it's the last one. They have not reset the vault. 40%. Yeah, with the YRM, we have 33,967. I can zoom in. Yesterday. So the account here has 259 on Lucid. 259. Yes, YRM, I have 3 instant funding accounts. Each instant funded is 450. Only 450, considering that the standards of the industry is way higher in the prices. With a scramble code is 450. And you have a $6,000 max loss. And your target is less than the industry standards, which is at 6%, so that would be 9 grand. Here with YRM you have to do 8 grand. Right, so 259 in the account, 259. Here's the account on Quant Tower. The other account is sitting at 252. Right, so we have one at 259, one at 252. I would say that's not bad at all. This one with 252, we made yesterday 18,000. Yes, with YRM I decided to go for the challenge. I decided not to lose. So I have to respect 20% consistency, which means 34 times 5. $170 for the payout. It's still slow, but they're going to catch up next week. I've been told they're going to catch up next week. A lot of the payments will be executed next week, and they will catch up on the list. I decided to take this challenge. No, that's great. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it. Yes, for the instant fund that it has 20% consistency. That's an instant funding account. So I have to do 5 times the value of that. And I decided, so basically at the end of the stream yesterday, it's not having issues. They were slow in the payouts. People were getting scheduled for the payouts in a slow manner. And they're working on it. Yeah. You're going to receive the account. You just have to wait. If you're the real winner, and if we confirm you, you have to wait. Testing out along here. If it holds and runs here, we're going to be an interesting situation if it holds and runs here. I don't have a daily drawdown. You can win giveaways by signing up for the form. Sign up the form. Complete the form of the day. Be subscribed to my channel. Like the video. Join our Discord. And be here when the giveaway starts. Because you will have to guess a number. Which is usually at the time I finish trading. That's not looking like a decent entry here. Expecting a little more for the upside. Yeah. I think we have wicks for the upside that are interesting and attractive. And it would be lovely to go for the wicks first. sure you guys agree with me. Hope you're having a lovely day. Make sure to like the video. We must hit minimum 180 likes or 200 likes, depends. That's why invite people, friends, and so on. We gotta do our best. Sinner, is he playing right now? Sinner. Or Zinner. Zinner is playing, but we're making more money than Zinner. Oh, my green tea. I forgot about my green tea. There was an issue probably at that time with their website. You can test it out. It works perfectly right now with YRM. Thank you. Welcome. Welcome, Alex. Exactly, guys. So listen up. I have a video posted. You certainly want to watch that once we finish the stream, during the weekend, whenever you want. Yesterday, I posted a video on my channel. You certainly want to watch that. It's very important. I'm in a long everywhere, even for YRM. Have a pretty strong balance here and a massive buffer. We survive 8th of April. We were down on unrealized loss, 58,000. Unrealized loss, 58,000 was the peak for the 8th of April. We've closed around 20 grand or 30 or whatever. But it was a hell of a day. And then yesterday I recovered a big chunk of that. No, yesterday was a huge day. Look it up, guys. Making 35 grand. While the day before losing 36 is a different level. Is a whole different level. Plus we made on YRM a ton. And we made on all our Lucid funded accounts a lot. Buongiorno. Can we move, guys? Can we break out here from 315? Finally find some liquidity above 320s and maybe 340s, 50s, 60s? I am down for that. We were so close to the all-time high. Can you believe that? 399 is the all-time high. We went to 386. How do you guys explain the situation for NASDAQ? How do you guys can explain it to me? Considering all the troubles, all the economical problems, lack of predictability, lack of security, issues on the supply chain, issues with raw materials, issues with the technology, issues everywhere. NASDAQ is less than 100 points from the all-time high. Tutto bene, tutto bene. Assolutamente tutto bene. Absolutely perfect. 1,000. Am I? 26,399. That's right. No, I'm wrong there. 26,399. I was thinking about, for some reason, 25,399, but certainly not. 26,399. Even this way. Even this way. Just 1,000 points away. And in the last couple of days, managed to go from 22,961 to 25,319. That's unbelievable. Unbelievable. And I think we're going to keep grinding. Unbelievable. Todo bien. Vamos. $300,000 straight to funded. The reason why it's not popular, you know, in terms of... Yes, is because they have a local community trading from Italian country. We have German speaking countries in Europe. Savius is popular for local trading groups in Europe. And it's not mainstream. They've been online for more than 5 years without problems. Their 300k account is really strong. Is really strong. Considering the current prices, 12,000 bucks for the drawdown is insane. At that price, it's so cheap. Let me share with you. We have our sales and promotions tab where you can find out the best promotions right now. The 300k is $399. Instant funded, $399. Yeah, you can certainly find out more here. I'm gonna send you the link, guys. Let's make some money. I believe this is slowly grinding. Look at that. We're making money everywhere. It's already an established company, Savius, which been through all the difficulties a company has in its first 3 years or something like that. We could also say first 5 years. They've been through those, survived, and delivered. Because it's not easy to survive. You see what happened with Tick Trader. I don't know, I don't think they are coming back. Haven't seen anything, and they have not replied to me. Good morning, welcome everyone. Great to see you guys. Make sure to like the video, invite your friends and buddies. We're out here pushing for a pretty lovely target. I told you yesterday, if we could get to 300k for this account, that would be a huge inspirational moment for people. I know there is a ton of people struggling, making money from trading, producing earnings, having green P&Ls, and having a great time. But I'd like you to think about it as a process which needs and has a phase of instruction, has a phase of education, has a phase of experiencing, has a preparation phase, has a phase of lack of the needed knowledge, has all these phases in the process. Once you complete this process, once you complete these phases of the process, that's probably the best way to say. So once you complete these phases of the process, the next phase is the phase of profiting. The next phase is the phase of having a good time by seeing those green P&Ls adding up. It's not going to be easy. It's just crazy. You got really lucky about it. That's how you have to think about it, guys. I don't like this candlestick. This is so silly. We should have been grinding up. But we might have, again, statements. And that's going to mess up the things. I don't want to say statements today. I'll have to go stop loss break even. You know, I'm gonna sell everything here. I've sold even on YRM. That's a silly candle we just had right there. So I made 460 bucks. Could easily and so simply call it a day for this account. We only need to do 250 bucks. But that's not sufficiently motivating. Thank you guys so much for joining. $282 take profit. $22,000. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. So inflation came out lower than expected, guys. Is that for real? Can we believe that? Giannos, you need to sign up from the following link. I don't know if you have signed up from the following link. We have a 60% off on any account. But let me double check. Let me double check with the promotion. If they still have the promotion running, let me double check. Let me double check right now. Yeah, the 60% off is valid until 11th. Right, so you can create another account if you have an old account. Giannos. Code is working. As long as you have created the account under my referral, code is working. Otherwise, code is not working. I don't have right now. Gotta look into that. You can create your new account with a different email. It's not an issue. Yes, 300,000 instant funded for Savius. Let me show you the accounts. The price is $399. This one, Thunderbolt. Your target is 5%. 5% on instant funded Savius accounts. 5% is your target for the payout. It has a payout of $4,000. And it's 400 bucks. So basically 10 times. It can be used in Europe, in America as well, yes. But you need to keep in mind, Savius is having their daily loss limit hard breach. Which means you have to put a stop loss before hitting that. You don't want to hit your daily loss limit. You want to stop trading before that. It's not a soft, it's a hard breach. You see a little star right next to the value on the daily max drawdown. right? A little star there. And then right here below it says hard breach criteria. 20% consistency is underfunded. Yes, hard breach. You can make it into a soft breach. For example, the 150,000. You have $2,000 hard breach per day. You put your stop loss at 1,500. You don't cross that 1,500. And then it doesn't matter, it's a hard breach. It only matters when you cross it, when you touch it, which is not needed if you stop before. Yes, it's end of the day. Yes. It's end of the day, the max drawdown. The max drawdown, yes. It's just a daily loss limit follows you. Interesting level that we have touched here, guys. Should have been longing that. You can take a break a couple of days. You don't need to trade every day. Should have been putting some limit orders here around the 300s. Now I'm feeling a little late to the party. Even though for the upside, there's so much space. Cheers everyone, having a good green tea, a Japanese one. Time to wake up and do the right thing. Testing out a short. I like to see if they protect this level. I like to see that, if they are capable of protecting this level. Because this possible reversal here exactly. So you can avoid the hard breach by stopping trading at a lower level than your hard breach, which means you will transform a hard breach into a soft breach by this measure. They're expecting people, let me tell you why Savius is not bothering to offer you this possibility. I mean, you have a hard breach at 2,000, think about it. And I told them, but simply people can stop at 1,500. Why is this thing benefiting you to have a hard breach at 2,000 if people stop at 1,500 with their normal stop loss? So then it's a soft breach, right? They can make this rule into a soft breach for them. It's not even a breach anymore. So how is this benefiting you? Like, why would someone touch that freaking daily loss limit on the hard breach? And they told me, when people stop at 1,500, and I can assure you as well, and they have their limit at 2,000, they see there is an extra $500. Mobility. And they say, well, let me go for my limit a little lower, like 250. Let me try to recover, allocate myself another 250 loss, because I still have room to the 2,000. And I would stop at 1,750. And then because of the sizing, because of the slippage, because of the whole process, things could actually fall into 2,000. So most of the people do not stop there. They force it even afterwards. This is not looking good. I'm out. I'm out from YRM too. Happened to you a million times, you see? That's the way they're making. Savius takes to pay between 24 and 48 hours. Right, so first you start trading at 1,500. Your hard breach is at 2,000. But then you say, well, I guess I have a little more space there. Maybe another 250. Wouldn't mind that. Let me give it a try for another 250. And then things go totally wrong. Yeah, no better value per investment. Their pricing is really good. It's just that you have to really control your behavior and risk management with that daily hard breach. If you control that, you're making a ton of money with Savius. It's very cheap. Think about it. Their 150,000 account is nuts. Like, about 300 bucks. If you want to utilize Scramble with highest discounts, you obviously have to be signed up from that link for Savius. Testing out along here, guys. We'll be testing out along for my Lucid. I will try to pass some Lucid flexes today. We have 6 Lucid flex evils sitting on 4.5k profit. Six of them sitting on 4.5 thousand profit. Nah. Exactly. But you see, that's where they make money, assuming and knowing and seeing that people do not stop. They do errors. Errors of mentality, of risk management. Coming back for another 200 bucks. Coming back for another 300 bucks. Having an additional loss. Bringing it close to daily max loss limit. Having an extra slippage. April, buddy. I don't know what you say about it. If you want to do promotions, I am charging $250,000 for 2 seconds of commercial. Do the math. How long is your sentence? 250 grand for 2 seconds of commercial. If you buy more than 2 minutes, I'm gonna give you discounts. If you want the invoice, I think I can deliver that somehow on the river or through the pigeon. I have a pigeon, guys, which is capable delivering messages. Yes, you can send the resources to Maddie. Maddie takes care about the resources. Yeah, I could deliver through the ducks. Yeah, that's a not bad idea. Pigeon. Roll the dice and long it. Market is not moving and it's waiting for something interesting, such as the algos. 5 minutes before the opening, that's going to be the first time we're going to see something. Unless somebody's going to press the button for the statements to come out on social media. We have a kind of a ceasefire right now that was needed by the markets. Other than that, I don't know if in reality if there is a ceasefire happening. So they kind of, to me it looks like they only made it for the markets. Because the reality might be a little different. There's not much ceasefire happening. Yeah, the problem is if I get to 300,000 flex account, people will ask me, where did I bought the 300k flex account? And I don't know the answer. I don't like this price action, guys. I'm gonna set a stop loss and break even. We have to move from here. If you dare to deny this, I'll be out. Stop loss break even for my YRM2. Markets may, you know, do whatever you want, markets. I'll be waiting. Ha 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 ha. It was a 500k account, brought it down to 300. That would be a lovely performance. Max drawdown 250k. I was telling you a few months ago that I would open up a prop firm where you could buy accounts without paying anything. And you would only pay for the account at the time you would lose it or reach the payout. You can't request the payout if you're not paying for the account. You obviously have to pay for the account if you lose it. Because this way I would give you the opportunity to trade without the pressure of the amount of money you paid. Think about it, guys. I would do this prop firm. A community-based prop firm where we allow people to purchase accounts without paying anything for them. They will only pay when the account is lost or they got to the payout. Yes. Think about my idea. You think we would get scammed? Ha ha ha. Good day, welcome. Welcome Jake, welcome guys, welcome everyone. That's where we are. Yes, end of the day YRM. Based on trust, Jonathan. Based on trust. I'm laughing. I'm going to ask them in a little message, can I trust you? Before pressing the button of purchasing, there's going to be a little video for me. And I'm going to tell them, look into my eyes. Can I trust you? And they'll have to. Oh, Jake, if you missed anything good, what about this? You missed a P&L like this yesterday, 35 grand. I think they have a bug, right? There's something happening with this 35, 36. Why do I have this kind of days? 36, 35. Look into my eyes. Jake is ready to win the duck race. Yesterday we were splitting number 2. We got stopped out on break even. We lost today 55 bucks, guys. This is dangerous. If I would have collected all the 1,000 profits we had in my last 3 trades, that would have been about 3,500 profit to this point. But then if you keep doing that, you never make 35 grand in a day. If you always sell at those values, you never bring good money on the table. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Appreciate it. Remember, guys, we gotta hit 200 likes. I've changed the value. Minimum 200 likes to do the giveaways today. And I have to hurry up. So... Can I get to see Bitcoin by the end of April above 90 grand? Who's gonna give me an answer for that? Not only the account, but the payout of the account, right? I want to hear those of you giving not the account, but the payout of the account. We're not going to do anything till the 5-minute algo. Every day. It's going to be having a good halving in a few years. But I'm getting old. I'm getting old. I can't just take profits by each halving. I'm getting old. I think we get cooked today. We lost $55. And there's more to come. Way more to come from 50. We're gonna run fireworks for you. That's a good year. That's a good celebration. 50. Congratulations. April 2028. Oh. So we still have to wait 2 years to eat a pizza from BTC? No way. You gotta do something. The current administration is gonna pass the... What do they have to pass in Congress? They have to... Regulatory framework, something like that, right? They've been talking about it recently. I think it was regulatory framework. For cryptos. Oh, lovely. That's lovely, guys. 2 pizzas for 10,000. And he was very proud having that photo. Didn't age well. That's another big time for the 80. And you've been trading since 2008. Yeah. Bitmax, and I was on Bitstamp. Crazy times when things were triple digits. Yeah. Indeed. There are many conflicts. They haven't reached an agreement yet. They need to load up first. Really strongly. And then they will proceed. But you see, the current administration is heavily involved, so it's kind of weird. Things are not moving faster. Maybe they don't want to move it faster. Maybe they want to load up. It's very interesting that we have seen an administration coming into function, coming in office, and then having such a retracement and downtrend for the cryptos. I do not think this is not driven like this purposely. Having NASDAQ rushing all-time highs, gold, metals, administration, pro-crypto, publicly, right in your face, and the whole thing is crashing. Nah. Yep. Yeah, I used crypto in St. Moritz, in Switzerland. In St. Moritz, I used crypto to pay for stuff. Fine, we have the algo. There's nothing to trade. We had a few entries that were not bad. We were up unrealized money. We're not taking profit. You want to be careful here, guys. We have some levels that you should be careful here. Yesterday high, daily VWAP, last month's high, daily opening. So, and double wicks for the upside. Quite long wicks. 50 points, 60 points, whatever. Like the video, guys. Come on, like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. You don't want to underestimate the power of this community. We're down today in the Red Sea, having a negative P&L, 55 bucks. Going down a hill. If I would long it here, close to fall chair, guys. Close to fall off. If I long it here, the whole thing is gonna get down to 250s. This is a type of price action where you have to trade the opposite of the trade you would take. So if you say, well, this is a place I would long, then just open the short. Think about, guys, think about this way. Do we have the options for the trading softwares we're using to basically have the green button shorting and have the red button longing? If we would have this, we would make a ton of money. So from the settings, we have to make the green buttons shorting, we have to make the red buttons longing. If we can do this from the back end, and we click the green when we want to long, we click the red when we want to short, but the trade would be opposite, you would make money, don't you? Tell me, guys, isn't that a good idea? If we could switch that over on Quantower somehow. Yes. I got something from early 19th century, but it's not good for the office. And I have, how do you call the Florence... Oh, let me quickly reminder. I have his chair, not his chair, but his model of chair from Florence that was killed on the rug, burned on the rug. Savonarola, exactly. You know the Savonarola chair. Yes. Haha, exactly. Not bad. But certainly not good for offices. Market is opening soon. Just do the opposite of Jake. We could copy trade Jake in the opposite form. Or we could do something else. We could search for our worst trader in the community and transform it into a gold mine by trading the opposite of what does the worst trader of our community does. So we give him 1% of what we make, and that's a good win-win situation. Think about it, guys. We don't need the best trader here. We need the worst trader of the community, and we have to copy the worst trader of the community. We got to do a research. Don't you think it's a good idea? So when does the market opens? Right now. Best of luck, everyone. I'm testing out a short, guys, here. 10 minis. Maybe the next candle is going to be red. Ha ha ha. Stop loss break even, guys. Ah, we touch it. We're running. We're running, guys. You see why the break even is important? Have you just seen why the break even is important? Yeah, exactly, Billy. Remember, we have 6 evaluations sitting on 4,500 from a 9,000 target. I'm testing out a short right now. Nah. Can we get something back to 325? Stop loss break even. Come on. Pretty strong, guys. Pretty strong for the upside. I'm out here. 590 totally. I don't know if the shorts will have the power. Look at that. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. We gotta collect those likes. Come on. Let's bring up the numbers. Reshorting it from here. Absolutely getting bought up. Reshorting from this account too. Nah. Reshorting from here as well. I'm gonna get 20-30 points down. That's lovely. We're making money on this one. Trader for the 6 accounts we have. You guys like that short entry? Ha 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 ha. I'm gonna sell some of my positions and leave this one open. I'm trailing here. Trailing above this candle. Trailing. Lovely. Made some good money with that. 5,250. Celebration time. I needed fireworks, that's why I closed it. Kids probably want to see fireworks, so I closed it. Oh. Oh my gosh, you keep running. Obviously. Good day, welcome everyone. So I have to set up my copy trader. I'll do 5 accounts. Like I said, we only need 4,500. Testing out a short here, guys. Copy trading 5 accounts, evaluations. We need 4,500 on each. Nah. Why do you bring it back up? A single tick we got saved. No. It's just crazy how powerful this is. I didn't want it to see a little lower. Haven't got none of that. Let's see if we can do something here. All the way back. Below 300s. I want to set my break even. Oh, that's great. That's great looking. We're gonna soon trail. Right now we're trailing. We're trailing. 5 evaluations. Lovely, right? We're printing some money here. Our take profit is 276. You can also make money with 5 minis. I'm gonna trail here. Trailing. I am trailing. Ha 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 ha. That's fine. That's fine. We were down 3,800. These are all evaluations. All the 5 accounts here are evaluations. I still think this is going down, guys. A little bit lower. So I'm retesting on my short, but obviously not easy. Not easy to make money under these conditions. Retesting on my shorts. Might have to cut this early. Ten minis. I've doubled up. Very aggressive. Nah. So bad price action. Look at that. So freaking bad. We got back to the same spot. Unbelievable. The only good part about this, they're evaluations, but that's maybe not the best thing. Look at those 5-minute candles. You don't even know what to trade here. Oh. It's coming back. Oh. We kind of have the same price action with a different volatility and liquidity. Then what happened for the London? Yeah. Testing out. No, not this one. Yeah. Well, watch out, because the statement comes out again saying something about Hormuz ceasefire. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Let's hit that minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. Come on, guys. Numbers are not looking bad. The evaluations are gone. It's not the best idea. Risked a little too much. And they were pretty valuable evaluations, because we were halfway through. Yeah. We were halfway through. Zinner. He looks pretty capable. You have to arrange a match against him, so you guys can become huge fans. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone, for the giveaways. My pleasure. You want to make sure to do your best and get to the payout. Thumbs up, guys. We got to hit that limit. 180 likes. Come on. Yes. It's a little too much. Should have not copy traded them. Should have not copy traded them. That's the mistake I did. Congratulations, Dr. Kulu. Congratulations for that. It is a very lucky code. Thank you. Yeah, still trading tap on futures elite daily. Yes, yes, yes. You guys think we're going to reverse from here? That would be so silly. What kind of price action is this? Let me test out a short just because of the pattern, but... Is that trading so simple here? You just short supply, long demand. Nah, we touch break even. We might be ripping. Ha ha ha. Not putting the yellow box today. The yellow box is only put at a time I am 99.99%. Where are we going? Thank you, guys. Try with the groceries, Martin. Try with the groceries, clothing, gas station. You guys want to try scramble coupon code at gas station? I have a partnership with the Russians. I only put the yellow box twice, and we always went there. Twice or maybe 3 times. You guys know it better. I got a partnership, and it might work. You never know. You never know. You might be able to intimidate with that one. And they will give you discounts instead of going in trouble. You guys want to say my Russian friend, Scrambo, use that code for the checkout. Yes. No idea what this Orban is going to do. If you try the code with the nurses, nurses will tell you it is blocked. It is reserved. Incredible. Today's shoppings were expensive. Kids were out shopping again. Should certainly. He might lose it. He might lose it. What's the sentiment? I don't know what's the sentiment. Who's gonna dominate? But he's gonna try to fake it, right? Look at that, guys. What kind of trading is this? Why are we longing bottom and shorting top? What's this? Like, why is this so simple? Look at that. You need a new paddle, Jake. A new one. Ha ha ha. Fully charged. You were not charged enough. Ha ha ha. Think I'm gonna get a new flu, guys. A new flu. Kids are having another flu, a different one than what they had 2 weeks ago. I gotta put the yellow box. If we go down from here right now, I deserve taking the loss. 10 minutes long, guys. I am longing the top. I want to see the script here playing out once again. Supply short, demand, pump. I want to see this thing. I want to see them how miserable and scammers are. I'm going to prove them to you guys. I've longed the top. Trust me. I'm going to set the yellow box. I've longed the top just to prove you how bad the market is. How bad the market is. I think we're gonna break out as soon as the new candle opens on the hourly. That's the time the algo will be switched off. It's gonna be out of tokens. So 5 minutes to go, and tokens will get consumed for their algo. We're gonna have a different price section. A few more likes to go and we're doing the giveaway, fellas. 99%, I'm taking a break on Monday. 99%. No streaming on Monday, 99%. I'll keep you updated on Discord and I'll keep you updated on YouTube. You will see the new streaming scheduled and you will see the date. 99%. Ha 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 ha. Tuesday is certain. If I don't get hit by a train, an airplane, or this day is a possible bump. You never know, a drone, right? You see all these drones flying around. You see all these drones flying around, guys. We gotta build something. Detector. A stop loss for the drones. So I've longed the top. And I'm waiting. Giveaway will start in 3 to 4 minutes. Haha. You don't have poor people in Florence. Do you have? I've only seen rich people there. Let's finish the race. You need a faster duck. You gotta change your duck. Oh, look at that selling pressure. How dirty. How dirty. How dare. We still have a long way for the wicks. We didn't touch basically the top of the wicks. Giveaway starts in 2-3 minutes. 99% no streaming on Monday. 100% streaming on Tuesday. I can make a token, a crypto token, a meme token of myself, and airdrop that. I could do a meme token. Are you guys... I've seen the news. Are you guys participating at Trump's meme token conference? He has his conference coming up in a few days. No streaming this Monday, Badger. No streaming. So bad, price action. So bad. So bad and silly. And there is a risk for the markets to continuously drop from here, I'm telling you. Right now. We're gonna see something right now. I told you. Yeah. Probably have to get out. But I'm watching this one closely. I'm testing along on another account as well. It's risky, guys. If this level is not holding right now, I'll be in trouble, and there is a big... Yeah. Might give something back. Ha ha ha. We're going down. And I'm not going to hold this. Right, we have undercut there. I'm going to be out here. And from the other account too. What a scam. Unbelievable. Are we going to finish the month above 250 or going to finish the week above 250 probably? We're having 250, 809. Look at that. They're pushing right now. They saw me being wiped out and they're pushing it. We touched a VWAP there. Should have not sold, guys. We touched a VWAP. Look at that. Should have held it a little more. We touched a VWAP there. I sold on a bouncing spot. Incredible, right? Yeah. We tapped that and reacted. That's the place I should have been bidding. A simple limit order, 10 minis, I would already had 20 points. You know, what's that? 4 grand. But we might be going lower than that. We might be going a little bit lower than that. Than the VWAP here. Yesterday's high, what do you think about 269? Will you give me that? 269. I don't think so. No. You can't. You can't connect. What do you guys think about the next 5 minute? There is still 1 minute left of this 5 minute candle. What do you think about the next 5 minute candle? Could nicely be red. Could nicely be red. What a day was yesterday. 35,455. It's still a profitable month. Losing 36 grand and still having it on profit is not bad. Yeah, I would nicely take a drop here. I don't know. Look at that. I don't know what to do here. It's quite dirty. Probably we gotta do the best solution is to do the giveaways. The thing is, there is a significant risk of continuation here to other meaningful levels you're having. We can touch last month's high and then rip back to the top of the wick here with today's high. So you can nicely come back to last month's high, front run the daily opening, and run it back to today's high. Come back to 250s. If I set the yellow box on 250s, we're going to 250s, guys. Tell me. We got in some shorts. We got in some shorts. 40 minis across the board. 40 minis. The account you're watching right now is the last evaluation we have. If this one is going to hit, lovely profits, right? About to hit the take profit needed for this evaluation, and then we're going to have it funded. Stop loss break even here as well. Let's make some money, guys. If I put a yellow box on 250s, we're going to 250s. You see, we swept that specific structure and we haven't reversed. We're still sitting here. It's not a good sign for the bulls for the moment. Buying pressure steps in right now. Not looking that good. Look at that. Nah. What a price section. Look at that. Stop loss break even here. Stop loss break even here. Stop loss break even here. Yes. Let's see if we can recover from here. But nah, break even hit. Break even hit. Clearly, market is reacting there. Clearly. Yes. That's right. Thank you, David. Thank you, David. Wish you the best. We were in a nice short. And things haven't played out. Yeah. Alright guys, so I am gonna start a giveaway. Let's just focus on the giveaway. We need the ducks, we need the formula, we need all these things. Here we are, everyone. Time for the duck race, time for the wheel, and time for the giveaways. How do you participate should be your question. Well, you gotta fill up the form. Fill up the form, everyone. I am ready to execute. Fill up the form. Then, the next thing, you want to like the video. Come on, guys. In order to participate, you gotta like the video. Then, you gotta be subscribed. With notification bell turned on to receive a notification when we start streaming and when we post. Remember, next Monday, no streaming. I'll take a break. But we posted a video on my channel and you watch that at least twice. Very important video. And the third thing you want to do, besides filling up the form, would be to join our Discord. You gotta be member of the community you want to win the giveaway. First giveaway will be Top 1 Futures 25,000. End of the day, no, let's do 25,000. Yeah, end of the day drawdown instant funded. It's not going to be a vacation. It will be a little short break. Thank you guys, appreciate it. You certainly want to watch that video and apply it. You certainly want to do that. We got in a long, guys. We got in a long. We're still holding it. Let's make some money. And we passed an evaluation of 150,000 Lucid Flex. We're going to celebrate now. We have 159. We passed an evaluation. We passed an evaluation, guys. Lucid Flex 150,000. We passed it. And we're making money on the other accounts. This one has 10,000 bucks profit. Look at that. Alright guys, so 25,000 top 1 futures. I'm gonna pull up the numbers. Look at that. Crazy move, right? Between 0 and 5, guess the number. You can start right now. You can start right now. Start right now. Between 0 and 5, only a single guess per person. Price action is running hot. We're printing a lot. We're printing a lot here. And I'm gonna leave them open. I'm going for the upside wick. Let me show you what I'm doing, guys. Ha 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 ha. The yellow box is there. And my trades are still active. Look at that. 8,000 bucks. Only one guess per person. You no spamming. You want to stop right there. Stop right there. $25,000. Tap on futures end of the day drawdown. And I'm going to give out a bonus account on top of this. A bonus plus 25k Ignite from Tap on Futures, instant funded. Ignite, instant funded, 25,000. I'll give you 3 entries of the bonus. 3 entries of this bonus. There's no way you're not gonna make it. There's no way. Could be the yellow if we stop there, I don't know. Are you guys going for the bonus? Look at that, guys, that's crazy. That's gonna be bonus hunt. You have a bonus of 25,000 Ignite accounts straight to funded from Tap on Futures attached to the 25,000 end of the day drawdown, instant funded. But guess what? We're gonna play fair and change the plus symbol into a minus symbol from this 3 entries. And if that hits, you guys will lose your bonus. Best of luck, everyone. There is a chance right now for you guys to give me your bonus, to give up on your bonus. I don't think so. It doesn't like you want to. Oh. It doesn't look like you want to give your bonus. It's going to be number 2. Jake is not here. Number 2 for the winners. Congratulations. You also have the bonus, guys. That's crazy. Beautiful. Ha ha ha. So the bonus remains. The bonus remains. You haven't lost it. The bonus remains. Congratulations. The bonus remains. We got the yellow bucks, remember. Starting on 360s. "40 players will certainly compete. 30 seconds. Let's go, guys. Best of luck, everyone. First ranked will get the instant funded end of the day drawdown. Second ranked will get the Ignite account, the bonus account. Triss could be the winner. Triss could be the winner. Congratulations, Triss. And Elge Boldagun. Triss and Elge Boldagun. We have 2 winners out there. Look at that. Triss. 04681. Triss. Have you filled up the form? Have you actually filled up the form, Triss? Triss is here. Congratulations, Triss. Your $25,000 end of the day goes out to you. And Elge Boldagun, your Ignite account goes out to you. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations. Listen up, folks. We're running. We're running. We're producing. Time for the second giveaway, which will be a 50,000 Lucid Pro. 50,000 Lucid Pro for the second giveaway. Watch out for the number. Three different entries. 0, 1, 2. Guess the number. Best of luck. You can start right now. Between 0 and 2. We only have 3 entries. Guess the number, guys. Good luck, everyone. This is a 50,000 Lucid Pro. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. You want to stop right there. Should I have an entry without the bonus, but with the cut? So, cutting the main account we give out. Should I have that kind of entry? Best of luck, everyone. Now, let's do it without. Could be the number 1, guys. Could be the number 1. I think that's popular, right? Best of luck. Congratulations. Congratulations. For the winners, number 1. We gotta touch the yellow box. Do not underestimate our ability to set yellow boxes. Do not do that. I think we have a ton of winners. 67. You guys will compete for a minute. For a 50,000 Lucid Pro. Thank you so much, guys. Let's go. So remember, no streaming on Monday. We'll resume Tuesday. We keep in touch on Discord. Yeah, that would be interesting. Come on, guys. Last 10 seconds. You got to step up right now. The last 10 seconds. You have to step up. Clone King. A Clone King is winning. Congratulations, Clone King. There you go. You got this, Clone King. Clone. You filled up the form. Yes. Congratulations, Clone. Maddie's here on the 5th. Maddie's here on the 5th. You want to have a drink, Maddie, for this. Look at that. Badger on the 40. Quantum 46. And the last one is Danny. Scramble number 66. Cabrera, you're 59. Sean, 58. Ha ha ha. Ah. Time for the last giveaway, fellas. Time for the last giveaway. We're going to the boxes here. I'm still having my trades open. 10,000 bucks, 11,000. Guess what? I'm not closing this one yet. You are on the list. 50,000 YRM. 50,000. How do you get the number right? The duck race is running automated. You gotta do push-ups. The more push-ups you do in your room, the faster your duck is gonna move. 50,000 YRMs, evaluation, starter accounts. Last giveaway, fellas. We're gonna have the following thing. 3 number 1, 1 number 5, 1 number 7. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck right there. Start right now. You can start. 3 number 1, a single 5, a single 7. Let me know your best choice. Three number 1, a single 5, a single 7. We had number 2 winning, Jake. Three number 1, a single 5, and a single 7. Do not spam, do not repeat your number. You're going to get timed out and you're going to be eliminated. Right? So stop spamming. Stop repeating the number 20 times. I'll take you to timeouts. Stop right there. No more guesses. Yes, Arpan has been timed out. Stop right there. It's over. Shuffle. Here we are. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck, everyone. This is the last giveaway of the week. Is that gonna be on the number 1? I mean, it looks like. But we might fall into number 5, but I don't think so. That's the number 1, very likely. Yeah, here we are, guys. Congratulations for the winners. Ha 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 ha. 50,000 YRM. Thank you. Thank you. I think we're going to be more than 100 here. 123. So that means top 3 will go to the second round. We're going to have 2 rounds. Top 3 will be flying towards the second round. We got a double race. Market is climbing back. 12 AC is not dumping. We haven't touched the yellow bucks. Enjoy, Maddie. Thank you so much. Wish you the best, buddy. All the greatness. We're running, guys. I want to quickly show you the P&L. Ha ha ha. So then your ducks will get some boost. Told you earlier, I'm not going to sell yet. Time to speed up. Top 3 is going to win. Wafa, Dennis, and Jolene Habaro. Mike's gold on 4th, hoping that someone didn't fill up the form. Wafa, have you filled up? Wafa is here, congratulations. Dennis. Yes, Dennis is here. And Jolene Habaro. Habaro. Yes, filled up the form. Wafa, Dennis, and Habaro. $384 of ducks consisting your names. The best one is going to win. 30 seconds competition time. $384. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Thank you, Terrell Smith. Thank you guys, appreciate it all. Thank you guys. I've been going through your messages. Thank you guys. Thank you. Certainly and obviously, all the best out there. Who's gonna win? Is it Dennis? Dennis is making it. Thank you guys. Dennis, here we are. Congratulations, Dennis. You got this. Congratulations. Congratulations, guys. Great job. It's fully rigged. Ha 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 ha. But we have touched the bucks. We have touched the bucks. Ladies and gentlemen, we have touched the bucks. We have touched the bucks. Our P&L looks like this. We have 20 grand profit in this account. 20 freaking grand. We were down on the other. 8,000 on this one. We were down 8,000 before opening the trade. And if I would have stopped, it would have been a mess. Let me stop on this one where we have 21 right now. I'm going to stop on this one where we have 21. $21,000 profit here. Great. I'm going to stop here on 6 grand. I'm happy for that. We have 265. And this one has 10,000. 9,000. I'm going to stop here as well. 9,375. Sitting on 262 for this one. And this one is sitting on 265. Oh my gosh. And then we touched the yellow box, as I said. So 3 out of 3. Thank you, guys. Thank you once again. Obviously, these are funded. Funded. Our 3 lovely funded accounts that we've got. Plus, we passed one today. Thank you once again, guys. Have a lovely day, lovely time. Max coupon out there. Scramble winners, reach out to me on Discord. Wish you the best. All the blessings goes. And we talk to you on Tuesday. We keep in touch on Discord. Have a lovely